In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Coursera. First off, you'll need to log into your Coursera account. So grab your device, open up your preferred web browser, and head to the Coursera website. Once you've reached the site, enter your credentials to log in. After logging in, you should find yourself on your Coursera homepage. This is where you can see all the courses you've enrolled in, neatly arranged and ready for easy access. Now, to change your time zone, look for your profile icon. This is usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select the Settings option from this menu. It might take a moment, but be patient as the Settings page loads. Once it does, you'll see a list of different options you can configure related to your account. Look for the option labeled Time Zone and click on it. Here is where you can change your time zone settings to match your current location or any other preferred time zone. This is particularly useful if you're traveling or if you like to work in a specific time zone different from your physical location. Take your time to scroll through the list and find the time zone you wish to switch to. Once you've made your selection, you'll want to make sure you save your new settings. There's a Save button usually situated towards the bottom of this section. Just click that and your changes will be finalized. Coursera will now operate according to the new time zone you've chosen, which will help keep your learning schedule consistent and aligned with your personal preferences or requirements. And there you have it. That's how you can change your time zone on Coursera. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching and happy learning.